Welcome back, everybody, to our grand opening special of Super Nintendo World, in which this time around, we are going to be playing one more game on the DOS, and it is none other than Double Dare. Hungry Clowns, alright. That's the game. Alright. So I win $10 and control the questions. Let's play Double Dare. Which city is the capital of Ireland? Dublin. London is the capital of England. Belfast is the capital of Northern Ireland. What is a sporran? Dance. Dare. It was a pouch worn on a Scots kilt. So therefore, the felines lost the dare and I get the money. Next question, please. Where would you find a hippocampus and a hypothalamus? I would say inside a human brain. That's correct. The next question. Of the four states beginning with the letter W, which two are closest to each other? That would have to be Washington and Wyoming. Those two are close together. According to Greek mythology, what was the Hydra? It was a serpent with 9 heads. Yep, the one-eyed giant is a cyclops, a big cream-filled cookie. According to the famous Chinese philosopher Confucius, a bird in the hand is worth 2 where? In the bush. Correct. What is a francophone? A French-speaking person? Next question. In The Wizard of Oz, what was Dorothy's last name? Gale. Where would you go to an Arthur Murray school? What would you go to an Arthur Murray school to learn? How to dance. Where would you go to an Arthur Murray school to? What would you do? What would you go to an Arthur Murray school to learn? There we go. Which holiday had its original had as its original name All Hallows Eve? Halloween. Correct. Time for the Double Dare halftime toss-up challenge, and the game is Gorilla. All right. $20 and control the questions, and let's play. If you were laughing at Larry, Curly, and Moe, which comedy team's movies would you be watching? The Three Stooges. Correct. In Mary Shelley's book Frankenstein, which character creates the monster? Frankenstein? Dr. Frankenstein? Correct. Next question. Which energy source powers the musical instrument known as a calliope? I'm gonna dare because I don't know. It's steam. I was thinking that, but I didn't want to risk it. William Whipple, Francis Lightfoot Lee, and Button Gwinnett all signed which famous document? I'm going to say the Magna Carta. No, it's the Declaration of Independence. Oh, okay. It wasn't the check for E.T.'s phone bill. That wouldn't make sense. There's no dare, so neither team gets the money. Which actor starred in Burglar, Jumpin' Jack Flash, and The Color Purple? Oh, that was Whoopi Goldberg. Was indeed Whoopi Goldberg. Ancient Romans called London by which name? Londinium. Correct. Next question. What is the maximum time a round can last in professional boxing? I'm gonna dare, because I don't know. It's 3 minutes, so I win the money. On the old Bill Cosby show, which character did Bill Cosby play? Chet Kincaid? Correct. I knew it wasn't J.R. Ewing. Huxtable would have been the current Cosby show, so. What is the real first name of basketball star Magic Johnson? Irvin. Irvin Magic Johnson. What kind of animal is Baby Shamu? He's a whale. I win the game. $380. Let's go around the obstacle course. Here we go. Flag. Okay. So we won $380 in cash, and in prizes, we won a total of $7,181, which includes a radio, skateboard, cordless phone, 10-speed bike, television, home computer, VCR, and a Hawaii vacation. So altogether, that is $7,561 that we have taken from Double Dare for the DOS. And I'll see you all for the next game after the break. Oh, that's the wrong music cue. That's the right music